So far in this course, we've been focusing on getting to know our risks and learning how to use some structure to help reduce those risks. Obviously, our goal is to try to avoid nasty surprises and prevent harm, whilst maximising the opportunities that taking risks can offer. Using a risk-based approach certainly helps to achieve this goal, and the more we practice identifying, assessing and treating risks, the more likely we are to stay on the positive side of the risk-reward balance. But all too often, it's the unpredictable events that take us by surprise and throw our lives into turmoil. No one ever predicted that the Eyjafjallajökull volcano would send an ash cloud over Europe and cause the largest disruption to airline travel since World War II. Or that a terrorist organisation would hijack 4 planes and crash them into the World Trade Center and the Pentagon. Similarly, our own personal lives are sometimes disrupted by completely unpredictable events, like relationship issues, diseases, accidents, crimes, or disaster events. The main problem with these unpredictable events is that they happen more often than we like to admit. And because these sorts of things are unpredicted, it's not possible to treat them with our usual risk methodology, and often they're a true test of our resilience. Resilience is the process of adapting well in the face of adversity. It means bouncing back from difficult experiences. In reality, that bounce is likely to be a long and often hard struggle that requires strength, courage, commitment, and grit. Now, we've all got a certain amount of natural built-in resilience. But just as some of us are better at taking risks than others, resilience comes more naturally to some people than others. So how can resilience be learned or developed? One of the most important factors for personal resilience is whether you view an event as traumatic or whether you can see that same event as an opportunity to learn and grow or somehow benefit from it happening. An event is only traumatic if you think it is. Now clearly, there are some events that are undeniably traumatic, and in these cases, the first thing to do is recognize and then accept that you are in difficulty. Once you've realized that, you'll be able to take actions to move through the trauma and fight your way back to your normal or better self. People who keep calm and evaluate a situation rationally are much more likely to make good choices and recover from trauma quickly. Keeping calm isn't as easy as it sounds, and everyone has their own way of doing it. Some people meditate, others find calm through exercise, others read or write, and still others go shopping or practice yoga. Whatever it is that helps you stay calm is the right thing to do during traumatic events. You need to have confidence that you can overcome these difficulties. This confidence might seem distant, but focusing on your strengths and abilities will help to build that confidence and work out what you might need to do. Physical fitness can be an effective means of keeping your mind calm and boost your confidence. Staying busy is another great way of keeping calm. Plus, it has the added bonus of helping you get closer to your goals. But for most people, the single biggest factor in your personal resilience is who you surround yourself with. A supportive network of family, friends, and local community can help with practical things, as well as giving you a sense of belonging and purpose. Your family and friends will be the first port of call to get help, and getting help is good. Whether we're talking about personal, business, or even community resilience, risk is only a part of the picture to achieving resilience. Reducing risks and developing the qualities and characteristics for resiliency takes time and is far more useful if it's worked towards long before it's really needed.